My name is Dennis Barnum, and I'm a 3D printing application engineer here at TriMech. In this video, I want to share with you the best practices when storing 3D printer materials so you can get the most out of your printer. First, you want to keep your materials stored in a cool, dry place, making sure to avoid any unnecessary UV exposure, and always remembering to abide by material expiration dates. By doing so, you will help keep your materials safe and provide the highest quality prints. When storing FDM material spools such as these used on the F123 series, it's best done using a Mylar bag with desiccant packs, which can be found on the inner race of each material spool. Once the spool is placed in the Mylar bag, you should seal it tight and remove as much air as possible from the bag. This can be done either by hand or using a vacuum. If a Mylar bag cannot be procured, you can also use a space-saving bag or something similar with a vacuum suction port to help remove the air. Dealing with a Fortis Plus canister, once it's removed from the machine, it should be stored as shown. The orange rubber seals are placed on the canister to help prevent any unwanted moisture from getting inside of the canister. Also, it's important to mention that canisters should be stored vertically, as shown on the left, to help prevent the material from unwinding in the canister. Polyjet 1 kilogram canisters should be stored upright as shown. Be sure to try to realign the previous puncture holes with the needle when replacing the canister in the machine. You want to avoid any unnecessary puncture holes in the self-sealing foam. With a 3.6 kilogram canister, after removing it from the machine, remember to securely fasten the cap and store the canister upright with the nozzle located in the position as shown. Also, you'll want to make sure that the label is legible to the user. The Stratasys 4 kilogram canisters should again be stored in the upright position with the nozzle located as shown with the label legible to the user. When shutting down your machine for extended periods of time, it's important to maintain proper printer maintenance. Be sure to utilize cleaning and shutdown wizards as necessary and follow the proper cleaning fluid instructions to maintain proper head and material line health during these times. If you have any questions or concerns about proper 3D printing material storage, please don't hesitate to reach out to either myself or any of the members of the 3D printing application team here at TriMech. Thanks for watching.